Okay, students, so we are coming to the first question of projection of planes 1. As you have already seen that in last sheets, we have seen that for the projection of lines, when the line was parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane, the complexity was not that much. Okay, but in the sheet 2, another sheet of projection of plane, we have seen that the line is inclined with one of the plane, but it is not inclined with another plane. Okay, so we will also look into that detail in this sheet. Okay, so in this sheet number 4, what we are doing is we are taking certain planes and keeping it parallel to either vertical plane or horizontal plane. Okay, and when we go to the next sheet, then we will try to incline one of the plane with one of the vertical plane or horizontal plane, and we will try to find out how the projection looks like. Okay, so what does this question say? Question is saying that a square plane of side 50 mm has its surface parallel to and 20 mm above the horizontal plane. Okay, we have to draw its projection when a side is parallel to vertical plane, and another projection we have to draw when one side is inclined at 30 degree to the vertical plane. Okay, so I am not having with me the square plane, but for your kind attention, if I show you this laptop and this screen is a vertical plane and this screen is a horizontal plane, and if I am taking some plane, like in this case this octagon. Okay, so if I am taking this square and the question is saying a square plane of side 50 mm, so what we are having a square which is having all dimensions or all the sides as 50 and 50. Okay, and the question is saying the surface is parallel to and 20 mm above the horizontal plane. So these are the sides. Okay, if we are talking about a square, then these are the sides, and if it is parallel, then the surface, total surface we have to take, and it is 20 mm above the horizontal plane. Okay, it is 20 mm above the horizontal plane. So from this perspective, you can see the front view will be a line, you can see, but it will be on a vertical plane, and for top view you will be looking the actual plane. Okay, so likewise we will go for this projection. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to draw a simple reference line. ये हम करते आए हैं. ओके, so सबसे पहले तो मुझे एक रेफरेंस लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है, एंड आफ्टर रेफरेंस लाइन मुझे क्या करना है, मुझसे कहा गया है स्क्वायर प्लेन है 50 mm की साइड से, हैज इट सरफेस पैरेलल टू एंड 20 mm अबव द हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. सो इफ इट इज अबव द हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन, देन you are getting its view 20 mm above this reference line. Okay, so and whatever you are getting from the top view, you will get the square only. Okay, so first of all we will try to make the square. Okay, so let's make the square of 50 mm at a certain distance. Okay, you can make with the reference line or you can take a certain distance. आप assume कर सकते हो कुछ भी distance. Okay, वो distance आप assume कर लीजिए. You don't have to write that distance because there is in this question it is not given. ठीक है, so try to make the square of 50 mm. So you will get this square of 50 mm. Okay, now this is closely filled 50 mm. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to annotate it like A, B, C, D. Okay, now it is given that the square plane of 50 mm is 20 mm above the horizontal plane. So what do we have to do? We will raise the line above. Okay, मैं ऐसा क्यों कर रहा हूँ आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. And from reference line it is 20 mm above, so you will get this view. So this line will give you certain point, this line will give you certain point. Okay, and obviously बात है जब आप इसे सामने से देख रहे होगे, फ्रंट व्यू बना रहे होगे इसका, then it will be a line only. Okay, it will be a line. Now I have to draw the projections. How? देखो बच्चे, जो ये एजेस हैं, एजेस डी पॉइंट और ए पॉइंट के जो प्रोजेक्टर लाइंस हमारी पास हो रही हैं, दे आर पासिंग थ्रू ए एंड डी बोथ. सो द प्रोजेक्शन ए डैश and D dash will be on this point. Likewise, the projection of B and C will be here, B dash and C dash. Okay, so this is your front view, this is your